Hi everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Crafts Design. Today we're going to do some Cernit again. This time we're going to do a Skinner blend and do a kind of desert sunset kind of theme using this cutter. And then we're going to put some texture on it before we cut it. But anyway, we're going to put some texture on it. Let's get started. Okay, the way I'm going to start. I'm going to cut a little triangle wedge. Pretend y'all didn't see that. Pretend y'all didn't see that. Alright, I'm going to cut open these other two packages and cut the same little wedge. Sorry, I should have told y'all what colors these are. This one is the gold. This is the metallic gold. Now, they do have several different golds. This one is the metallic green olive. No, green gold. Green gold. And this one is the copper. Okay. Now we're just gonna lay those side by side in a kind of zigzaggy kind of patternage. Stop it. Alright, now I'm going to run this through my pasta machine. This way, lengthwise. Okay? Once it comes through, we're going to fold it in half, end to end. Continuing line end to end, line end to end, line end to end. Don't ever do it this way. Just doing it this way. Doing it the same direction. Alright, it will even it out, but it will blend those colors together. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll be back. Okay, now I'll show you what I mean. Folded together like this. Okay, and then running back through. Just like that. Okay. Now when you're running this through, you can decide at any time when to stop. It doesn't have to be blended perfectly. Nothing like that. I like that like that. I like that look. Alright. Let's see. What do we think? Kind of like this way. Let me look over the top a second. Yeah. Get a tile to cut against because it cuts better. Alright. Make sure it's stuck down to the top. Oh. And we're going to roll texture on. Not too hard. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Okay. Now I want to look because I want it. I want it to kind of level. Okay. Now let's get the other one dead on there, just like that. Okay. Alright. Now, you'll notice when I pull it up, I just kind of wiggle it a little bit. I want that, if possible, to stay put. Alright. I really like those. But hold on. I'm going to cut out 2 circles from this greener part up here. Hey. Alright. There we go. Now, I want to remove all this, but I don't really want to mess it up. Because that can definitely be reused. Haha. Alright. Just want to bake those. 275 for 30 minutes. Oh, those are really pretty. I'll be back. Okay, now since these are polymer clay, and they've got a texture on the surface, and we're not going to UV resin them, we're going to put the little studs on the back using polymer clay. Alright, turn those over. Put a drop of UV resin. Hey. Okay. Alright. Now, we've got these 2 circles that we also cut out with the same size circle cutter. Put the same texture on it, which isn't necessary, but we did it anyway. Alright, I gotta look from the top of this. Okay. Now, I poked a hole as close to the center as I could get. Alright, let's do it on the other one. Alright. Now I'm going to take the stud, and I'm going to put it in the bacon bond. Okay, now same thing. I want to get these close to the center. Okay. Now, I'm going to put just a dab of bacon bond. Okay, now okay, just like that. There. Okay, now these we're going to bake again. Okay. Those we're going to bake again. Another 275 for 30 minutes. Alright. Now, I've got another sheet that needs to be baked. I'll put those on there. Okay, here they are. I love them. So great. Love that texture. Oh, these are sweet. Alright. I want to thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate y'all stopping by. Wow. I love that Skinner blend. I love that Skinner blend. Really pretty. Alright. Please like, share, and subscribe. Like everybody's video, y'all. I've got an Amazon shop that I get a little bit of kickback from every time you order something through that link. Not sure what came from there. Probably nothing. But anyway, alcohol inks, mica powders, glitters, all that kind of stuff. I have a polymer clay list. I have a resin list. and many others. The rest of my social media links are listed below. Bye for now.